Are you worried about the lifespan of your trusted Windows 10 PC? Don't fret just yet. In this video, we'll share 5 tips to help you prolong the life of your Windows 10 computer and keep it running smoothly for years to come. Tip number 1. Enroll in the Extended Security Update program. As Microsoft plans to end support for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025, users face a critical decision. But fear not. Microsoft has introduced the Extended Security Update (ESU) program, offering continued security updates for a fee. This subscription, spanning up to 3 years, ensures access to essential security patches, providing a lifeline for those reliant on Windows 10. Tip number 2. Consider upgrading to Windows 11. Despite stringent system requirements, there are ways to upgrade older Windows 10 PCs. Unofficial methods exist for unsupported devices, allowing users to potentially breathe new life into their hardware. Tools like Rufus can help create Windows 11 installation media, facilitating the upgrade process. Tip number 3. Explore Chrome OS Flex. Google's Chrome OS Flex offers a compelling alternative to Windows 10, providing ongoing security updates without the need for a Microsoft subscription. While compatibility may vary, Chrome OS Flex is suitable for web browsing and basic computing tasks, making it an attractive option for many users. Tip number 4. Transition to desktop Linux. Desktop Linux distributions like Ubuntu offer robust and user-friendly environments, providing a secure and cost-effective alternative to Windows. With support for popular web browsers and gaming platforms, Desktop Linux is a viable option for users seeking an open-source alternative. Tip number 5. Exercise caution with unsupported Windows 10. While it's possible to continue using Windows 10 after the end of support, doing so poses security risks. Without regular security updates, Windows 10 becomes increasingly vulnerable to cyber threats. It's essential to consider alternative options to ensure your computing experience remains secure and productive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and updates.